Starting a faceless YouTube channel is hard. Yes, it's hard if you don't have right team, if you don't know the secret strategy to grow the channel. Most important, if don't know how YouTube algorithm works, you can't achieve YouTube success. YouTube success is a dream for all creators, but hardly only few people achieve this success because they know the game of YouTube. They are easily grow their channels in just few months. There are so many examples. Wait. You can also achieve this success because you are on the right place. We are a proper team. We know how to beat the competition, how to engage the audience, and watch it again and again. Storytelling is the king of this game. Then editing can change the whole game. We select high-demand niches, then start deep analytics. Then we will make a complete strategy for you. YouTube gives you freedom, and YouTube is the future. YouTube user base is estimated to reach 1.2 billion users, and therefore a new peak in 2029. Notably, the number of YouTube users was continuously increasing over the past years. So stop thinking and take action today.